Oh god. So icy. And beautiful winter. No, that's actually fall. Today is October, you know. It's not even like November, December, or even January. Why is October on ice storm? Well, you know. I'm about to see. Those are water. Let's see it right now. Oh, I'm good. Look at this. Oh, so ice. Look at this. Ooh. Touch this. Oh, so icy. I bet I could break that one. Oh, my hand, lovely God. There's no such thing. I have to step out and slippery. I have to be careful. Oh. Oh. Okay, yes. Oh my God, look at that string! Okay, right now I'm in the backyard and there's the ice right here. Yeah, and the ice at the tree. And look at that mess up. Understanding. Oh wow, dang. Holy crap! Holy mother of God. Mother freaking of God. Okay, can you please focus? Alright. Oh yeah. So Cody! I can feel like this. Look at that proof. Do you see that? Man? Oh, there's an ice storm right here. Okay, be careful not to tell me this. Oh, those are trees right here. Do you see? Yeah, there's the ice on. Yes, oh, look at that nice leaf. Oh yeah. Okay, I need to check when my reveal. I have to turn up this. Oh, my hand's cold, dear. Ugh. Okay, sorry about my hand's cold. Yeah, my hand's rough. Okay, everything sorts on. Hold on. Okay, yes. Right, so. Okay. Okay, since the gate is unlocked, so I'll be moving on to the front yard. Oh my God. Sorry about my hand cold. Because I do not like wardrobe at all. Same at all. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I just get barely this. See this? No water. You see, no water. Yeah. And there's a light over here, like you can see. Yeah. Okay, you can see that the trees are over messed up. So, let's move to this front yard. Alright, I'm in the front yard right now, and so coldy. Woo, so beautiful out here. Oh, look at this. Yeah, look at that messed up. Okay, just leave it. Alright. Okay, every time I keep... I just ripped it. I just ripped it. What's this? Okay, alright, I'm back. But that's just a sketch, but don't worry about that. Here it is. Oh, well. The cold. So freeze. I can barely see this right here. Nobody cares. Get your eyes store out. Die. Oh, my hand. I will beg you for paying this. Damn goddamn reason. Take this. Yeah, suck this. Anyways. Oh, look at that ice. Oh, just gotta be careful. Need to be very careful. Oh, look at that tree. Those messed up down here. Did you see that? On my house, there's at my freezing. So freezy. Okay, let's wait until the sun will melt it on it. And let's see about this. And look at that. So I'm pretty messed up, right? I have to walk through this street. Excuse me. Hold on. I didn't do this. Oh wow. Wow, just wow. I've never seen before. Look at that. Pretty messed up, right? Oh. Wow. Just freaking wow. Here we go, no storm. Well, we'll see about the train. There's no train in there. So yeah. Hope you enjoy. This car needs to be better watching by it anyways. So. Alright. Okay. This freaking Canadian, British, wow. What are Canadians serious, didn't you? Oh, the orange light. Oh my god. Just, oh, those were all messed up, freezing of trees. Okay, I need to focus for a while. Please focus, now. Come on. Oh, I just know. Okay, don't see. There you go. Holy moly. Alright, enough saying. And the tree is frozen anyways. So, that's all for showing. And this is BCO 2595. And my hand is cold and being left.